Google is in a survival mode for sure. It knows that with all these ChatGPT like models, the traditional Google search is almost obsolete. That is why Google reportedly declared a code red internally few months back. According to various reports, Google is going to launch its largest AI centralized product code named Gemini this fall or spring if you're in Australia like me. This product is being headed by team leads from Google Brain and DeepMind. Google co-founder Sergey Brin is playing an instrumental role in evaluating and training the Gemini models. Google intends to smash its competition with Gemini. It is focused on combining the text capabilities of its large language models, or LLMs in short, and AI image generation to create a multifunctional product. This means that instead of only being able to generate text, Gemini would be able to create contextual images and videos. Moreover, you might eventually be able to use Gemini to analyze a flowchart or control software with your voice. According to media reports, Gemini analyzes columns of text and images to identify patterns and provide answers to specific questions. Google has been using YouTube video transcripts to train Gemini, according to some reports. However, the company's lawyers are keeping a close eye on the materials used during training to ensure it doesn't infringe upon copyrighted data. It is expected that Gemini would be integrated in all of Google products and you would be able to use it through Google Cloud Platform. Lastly, but very importantly, I'm not really sure if Google would make the source code of Gemini open like Meta did, or would it be closed source like OpenAI, which is not so open. I would really hope that Google makes the source code public because all the great things are open sourced. I hope that you like this video. If you have any feedback, please share it in the comment section. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.